Today we're going to learn about how to install Python. Before starting to install Python, you need to download the Python from the Python website. Go to Python, click downloads. Here you can download the latest version. Download Python, click on it. Make sure to check out these boxes and press install now. Now it will install it. It will take quite a bit. Yeah, it has been installed. I skipped the part of that installing process, but it won't take much longer. Once it's done, close this. Now you can check for Python's availability. And no, not this. Yeah, check whether Python is available or not. Can simply click here, idle. In here, let's type a very simple Python command: print how are you doing. Yeah, syntax error at my first Python code. Not my first Python code in this video. Yeah, how are you? It's been printed. So it means Python is working. We can test it again using their own command. Let's try it again, print hi hola. Yeah, it works. Or you can test a little bit more not complex, different code. Say 2 plus 3. Yeah, 5. Yep, it works. So this is your basic guide for installing Python. If you have any question, please make sure to comment down below. Thank you.